odds are you're tuning into this call because you're interested in bringing more money into your life. Now let's be honest, who's not interested in that? Now, I'm not one to drag things out, so let me cut to the chase. You've got an opportunity to profit from the largest financial market in the world, the foreign exchange market, or in other words, Forex. The Forex market does over $5 trillion per day. That is 7 times the size of the stock market. So what is Forex? I'll keep it simple again. It's trading one currency for another. For example, buying the US dollar and then trading that dollar for a British pound. Even better, tap into the most exciting financial market in the world, cryptocurrency. That's right, digital money all over the globe, enabling you as a consumer to not only obtain these currencies, but to make money from them as well. Don't understand cryptocurrency and Forex? Don't worry, we'll teach you. Is it legal? 100%. In fact, professional traders trade currencies all day long, and some make a pretty incredible living out of it. You may even know a few. Is it hard? It can be. That's exactly why we've created a company that takes the guesswork and years of learning out of making successful trades and earning money. So how the heck are we doing that? Good question. It's pretty simple. We call it iMarkets Live. We have a suite of tools, technology really. You have the ability to learn a new skill that people pay tens of thousands of dollars to learn, but with us, you'll pay a fraction of the cost by going through the IML Academy, IML TV, and accessing our powerful harmonic scanner. By the way, if you're intrigued by what you're hearing, reach back out to the person that shared this call with you. Now, I do have one more thing to share though. There are over 40,000 people currently taking advantage of what you're about to hear. This company, the products and information is social. You start trading and learning, you're probably going to end up talking to your friends, wouldn't you? Because of this, we decided to push our advertising budget into people rather than TV, radio, and billboard ads. Long story short, you share it with a friend that got involved with us, we pay you for that referral. It makes sense for us, and it's going to make more sense for you, especially as a trader. Now, ready for the quick breakdown? You share it with 2, you get a free membership. Share with 12, make $600 a month. 30 customers, $1,000 a month. 75 customers, $2,000 a month. 225 customers, $5,000 a month. 500 customers, $10,000 a month, and so on and so forth. So you've heard a lot, and there's probably a number of things you want more info on. Reach back out to the person that shared this call with you and get your questions answered. This company is exploding, the market is growing, and the people are winning. Text your friend back. It could quite literally be the best decision you've ever made.
See the description of this video for links to Trade Nation University and Trade Nation Global, where you can learn how to become a skilled Forex trader, successfully earning profits and creating generational wealth. Don't forget to share and like this video. Also remember to subscribe to the channel to get notifications on my new videos. Peace, love, and prosperity, family.